Welcome back to channel V8X, where power isn't talked about, it's unleashed. Today, you're not just watching a car, you're witnessing the rise of a black legend. This is the 2026 Toyota Fortuner, Black Edition. And trust me, this SUV doesn't ask for attention. It takes it. From the moment it rolls into frame, the Fortuner commands respect. The deep glossy black paint absorbs the light, then throws it back with attitude. This is not just a color. This is a statement of dominance. Every inch of this SUV is engineered to feel powerful, to look fearless, and to move like it owns the road. Now let's talk about the angles. Because this machine looks deadly from every single view. The front view hits hard. That aggressive grille. Those razor-sharp LED headlights. And right there, the V8X number plate, bold and unforgettable. This face doesn't smile. It intimidates. Slide to the side view, and you see pure muscle in motion. Strong body lines. Black alloys gripping the road. This is the stance of an SUV built for kings of the highway. Turn to the rear view. And those glowing LED tail lights tell one story. Don't follow, unless you can keep up. And again, the V8X plate reminds everyone who's in control. Step inside to the dashboard, and the mood shifts from aggressive to luxurious. Premium materials, digital precision, ambient lighting that wraps around you like confidence itself. Open the engine bay, and you feel the heartbeat of power. This isn't just machinery. This is engineering with emotion. From the drone view, the Fortuner looks like a predator waiting to strike. Perfectly balanced, perfectly bold. On the highway shot, it moves like a bullet, smooth, fast, unstoppable. And at night, with lights glowing against the darkness, this SUV turns the road into its personal stage. And here's the crazy part. All this power, all this luxury, all this presence. The 2026 Toyota Fortuner Black is expected to come in at around $45,000, give or take, depending on the market. That's not a price. That's an entry ticket to dominance. This isn't made for everyone. It's made for leaders. For people who don't blend in. For drivers who want the road to know their name. The Fortuner doesn't chase trends. It sets them. Luxury. Power. Emotion. Wrapped in black. So if you're ready to upgrade your drive, upgrade your presence, upgrade your identity, remember one name, one year, one color. 2026 Toyota Fortuner Black. This is channel V8X, where legends don't sleep, they roar.